Welcome to the all-new Pin Inspector, a powerful desktop software that uncovers top trending searches as well as top performing pins, videos, boards, users, and even real monthly search volume data directly from Pinterest. And there is nothing on the planet that uncovers this hidden data. And in the next few minutes, you're about to see Pinterest in a way you have never seen before. I mean, this is so exciting because in recent years, Pinterest has become an absolute powerhouse, being the fourth largest social media site online. But there are certain features about Pinterest that are far better than any other network. In fact, there are over 553 million people actively using Pinterest. Now how about this? Coming directly from the Pinterest business section, they are saying 60% of Pinterest users start their product research on Pinterest looking for ideas of where to buy products they want. And not only that, 72% say Pinterest inspires them to shop when they're not even actually looking for anything to buy, though that is a powerful statistic. But the big problem is, Pinterest doesn't reveal all the important data to you that you need for researching top content in their network. But after months of digging deep into their back-end code and hundreds of hours of coding, I finally unlocked a massive amount of hidden data Pinterest doesn't even show you. Introducing Pin Inspector version 2 for both Mac and PC computers. With a click of just one button, you can instantly see the latest trending top searches that are spiking right now in real time. Not only that, the Trends tool can uncover the search volume index over the past 365 days for generated keywords as well as imported keywords. I even integrated a tool for generating related trending searches for all imported keywords. Inside Pin Inspector, you can also instantly pull back 52 different data points for every pin or video, including annotation keywords with real Pinterest monthly search volume. Yep, I just said 52. Now let that sink in for a moment and ask yourself, have you ever seen that amount of data given from any other tool online from Pinterest? And the best part is, this data is not from last month or last year. It's not stored in a database on my server or some other back-end data collection system. Nope. This current data is published right now in real time. You want to see what I'm talking about? Well, check this out. Simply enter any keyword and click search to pull back massive real-time data in just seconds. With built-in multi-downloaders, the software is lightning fast, extracting the data right before your eyes. Or, if you don't know what to search for, simply select one or more categories and pull back the curtain revealing the top pins in those categories. But the real pride and joy about Pin Inspector is the powerful browse and scrape technology. And this is one of the main reasons I designed this software. With the all-new browse and scrape technology, you simply browse your Pinterest feed and Pin Inspector will automatically scrape the posts and advertisement links and then extract all of the data. Have you ever wondered which ads in your feed that get the most repins and saves or the most reactions? Well, you don't have to wonder anymore. Pin Inspector instantly reveals the hidden data you have been craving for. I mean, seriously, it's massively powerful knowing which ads are getting the most engagement because those are the ones getting the most traffic. And as we all know, targeted traffic converts into sales very easily. Now what's even more exciting, in the latest version, I integrated the powerful annotations keyword tool, which gives you 3 simple ways to analyze the top search annotations, also known as interest keywords. Search from a given keyword phrase, or from given pin links, or even import unlimited keywords to instantly extract the real monthly search volume and other important data directly from Pinterest. Note, this is not Google search volume. This is how many people searched those keywords on Pinterest only. Now, I didn't stop there. I built in 2 more powerful data extractors. Quickly pull back hundreds of boards with a simple keyword search revealing even more hidden data you can't get on Pinterest. And better yet, use the People Search tool to uncover top amazing metrics about the top pinners on Pinterest, such as the number of pins, videos, boards, and even how many profile views they got in the past 30 days. Need to extract the data for pins for a given board or user? No problem, we got you covered. Simply right-click and watch Pin Inspector reveal all the data in just seconds. It literally takes just 30 seconds to pull 45 data points for over 200 pins. You can barely do that with a normal web browser while surfing Pinterest. Plus, you can quickly download the pin images, video files, and video thumbnail images directly for your computer for unlimited number of posts. And if you thought Pin Inspector couldn't get any better, well, think again. I also integrated a powerful keyword generator tool that extracts real-time search terms directly from the Pinterest Auto Suggest engine. Plus, I built in a tool for quickly importing free search volume, cost per click, and competition data from free resources. Or right-click and send all the keywords to the annotations tool to extract the Pinterest search volume data. Using Pin Inspector, you can uncover top-performing keywords for the most engaged content on Pinterest and then use those keywords in your board names, hashtags, and post titles to drive tons of natural SEO traffic to your pins. It has never been easier to uncover top-performing content on Pinterest using the new Pin Inspector software. To celebrate the new release of Pin Inspector, we are offering a limited-time discount where you can get access at the lowest possible price. And that's not all. You also get 10 computer installs for you, your team, including partners, employees, your outsourced team, or even your family. Plus, with the commercial license, you can generate interactive HTML reports and other documents that you can deliver to your clients as a service and keep 100% of the income. With our ironclad money-back guarantee, you can try the software for a full 30 days completely risk-free. In just minutes from now, you can start uncovering the best converting content on Pinterest and spy on other people's ads, getting data nobody else on the planet has access to. So don't miss out on this limited time offer and take action now. From our family to yours, thank you for watching and thanks for choosing Pin Inspector.